Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get a full refund of your trips on Airbnb platform. So the first thing to do is to go to your browser, either it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any browser, and then you will need to go to airbnb.com. So after you click on it, you will be taken or redirected to the Airbnb website, and then you will need to create an account. So basically you will need just to click on this icon here at the corner. You click on it, and of course you are going to click on sign up, and after that you can either sign up with your phone number, or you can sign up with these alternative accounts, either Facebook, Google, Apple accounts, or your email. So basically I'm just going to continue with my Google account, and then I'm just going to choose this account and I'm going to log in. So basically when you are going to create your account, all you need to do is to log in into your account and then just follow these simple steps. So after you log into your account, all you need to do now is to go to your trips, and you will go click on profile, go in trips, and then you will find your trips here. After that, you are going to click on the trip, and then you will need to cancel the reservation so you can have the refund. But first, you need to make sure that you didn't pass the refund day or the full refund date or duration time, because as you can see, if we go here, let's just reserve, and then we are going to see that there is a free cancellation policy before a certain date. If you have passed the certain date on the reservation, you won't have a full refund, but instead you will have just a half refund, and by that you won't have, or you can't have any other choice except to have the half refund. So basically you will need to make sure always that you can you request a refund before a certain date that is here, that is released or that is mentioned here in the cancellation policy, and then you can just do the steps that I have just showed you. You go to trips, you go to trips, and then you click on your trip, and then you cancel it here, and then you will have your refund. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.